Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining today's webinar. I'm excited to have you here as we explore the capabilities and benefits of the uniFLOW SmartClient. In terms of the duration, probably about 20 to 25 minutes in terms of the delivery. But today, it's basically a walkthrough, a top-level overview of the SmartClient, highlighting its key features and also its fantastic benefits. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to showcase how this solution can streamline printing processes, enhance user productivity, and meet the evolving needs of a modern workforce. For more details and information about the SmartClient, is available on the tech data sheet, which is on the partner site, for the full, if you like, overview of the SmartClient. I'll mention that again at the end. So let's dive in and discover how SmartClient can make a real difference for your customers' printing environment. So let's just start off with an introductory to the uniFLOW SmartClient. It's basically designed for modern work environments, including hybrid workforces. It provides a secure and efficient printing solution that merges the convenience of cloud-based printing workflows with the familiarity of traditional file and print systems. Now, this ensures a smooth transition with no disruptions for most organizations that are embarking on their cloud journey. The SmartClient supports various job submission and storage options, making it, I feel, a versatile and easy integration into most, if not all, existing print workflows. So moving on, let's discuss the challenges our customers face and how SmartClient addresses them. Now, as companies transition to the cloud, traditional print servers and shared print queues become obsolete, creating challenges in securing print jobs. Now, as many of you know, the cost of maintaining these servers and their associated security vulnerabilities from those hackers further complicate the situation. If when making the jump to the cloud, many organizations find it hard to maintain efficient job submission processes without servers for those reasons I've just given. The uniFLOW SmartClient fills this gap by providing a secure, flexible, and user-friendly solution that combines old and new printing methods. This makes it an absolute ideal solution for modern work environments, including hybrid workforces. Now with that intro, let's delve into the SmartClient's key features, which make it a robust and versatile solution for most of your customers' printing needs. So the uniFLOW SmartClient is a client app for Windows and also for Mac OS. It includes a printer driver that must be installed on each PC. Now, during the installation process, the printer driver links to a user in the uniFLOW online environment. Now, easy automation ensures a fast and seamless rollout to all client PCs. Now, the rollout can be silent or active, initiated by the actual user. It's important to note that the SmartClient is supported only by the Image Runner Advanced and the Image Runner devices with the add-on platform. Now, you'll see on the screen the key features of the SmartClient, and in the next few slides I will focus on job submission that allows users to easily submit their print jobs for processing, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. Print job storage. Here I will discuss two popular methods of securing storage of print jobs, making the retrieval easy and compliant with the organization's security policies that may be in place. Location aware and hybrid workforce. This feature enables printing from any location, catering to mobile and remote workers, thus supporting a dynamic work environment. Also, cross-platform support for BYOD or BOID, bring your own device, lots of different acronyms there. SmartClient allows printing from various devices and operating systems, ensuring compatibility with both personal and company-owned devices. Now you'll also see there's local printer monitoring, which allows for monitoring local printers for accounting purposes. It's also a feature of the SmartClient, but is out of scope for this webinar. So let's look at these topics in scope in a little bit more detail. So users can easily submit their print jobs from their PC or laptop using the traditional file print method via the driver and the pre-configured secure queue that comes with the installation. Now, the difference here is that the print queue is on the user's PC or laptop, not on a print server. Doesn't exist anymore. This makes the process familiar and user-friendly. Print jobs are stored securely, locally, or in the cloud. More on this later, depending on the user policy preferences that were set by IT and the organization's security requirements, which is also a key factor. SmartClient integrates seamlessly with the My Print Anywhere feature, which allows users to conveniently release their print jobs from their secure print queue on any compatible device, anywhere and at any time. And this ensures maximum convenience and flexibility for the users. Now, I have in the past delivered a My Print Anywhere webinar. I will be doing this again with some updates, but if you want to check on the previous webinar that I did, it's available on the learning portal for you to have a look at that particular subject matter. So let's expand a little on the print job storage. Now, with SmartClient, print jobs can be stored locally on a user's PC or on the Canon ImageForce Image Runner Advanced DX, or actually in the cloud without needing a local print server. The print servers are gone. To meet the compliance and security requirements of the organization. So quite a lot of flexibility in that regard. So burning question, when should you use local or cloud storage? Now, if the security policies do not require local storage of the print job, it can be stored in the uniFLOW online. Now, the limit here is 100 megabytes per job. Now, this allows the job to be released independently of the computer, so the computer doesn't have to be on for it to be submitted. Print jobs stored in uniFLOW Online ensures a zero trust approach, which many organizations who are looking to embark on the cloud are adopting, which is maintained even if the smart clients are not on the same network as the actual print device. Now, on the other hand, if print jobs must be stored locally due to the local security policies, the SmartClient offers the flexibility for the users to print jobs to be securely stored on their PC or their laptop or the device after submission. Now, in this particular case, to release these print jobs, the computer, PC, laptop must be online and connected to the same network as the print device. Very important. Now, as mentioned earlier, users can release their print jobs from any device, regardless of the location or the network configuration, ensuring a seamless and convenient printing experience. That's what they want. Now, the SmartClient system is designed to automatically detect the user's location. There is some science behind that, which I won't go through today, and downloaded pre-configured settings from the location to the SmartClient app on the user's PC. Now, this includes settings like paper size, duplex printing, color options, and stapling, ensuring that the user doesn't need to manually input their location or even worry about the settings for that location. There will be a situation where certain locations may have a different print policy. So by connecting to that location, those policies will be downloaded to the SmartClient without any user intervention. So again, just for example, for instance, if the user is at head office, specific settings can be pre-configured to match the office requirements. Now, one of the main advantages of this is the ability to print anywhere and to any device using a single driver. The universal driver, or indeed the Canon generic plus UFR2 driver, can be used. Now, the universal driver offers a straightforward interface with advanced printing features that are compatible with any printer model. Alternatively, organizations that have been using the generic driver, they may have used this in the past for a number of years, and they've moved now from the server to a cloud environment, can still continue to do so, as it provides a familiar interface and includes all the necessary driver settings for the supported device in SmartClient. Now, the universal driver also encrypts and compresses print jobs as they're sent, reducing network traffic and enhancing security. Now, other advantages using a single driver is that users don't need to manage multiple drivers for different printers at various locations, eliminating confusion and reducing help desk calls. So if you're speaking to IT folk, this is something that they will resonate to. Now, I think by now you understand that with the SmartClient, users can conveniently submit print jobs from any location, including their home office, a public location like Starbucks, or indeed at one of their office locations. This flexibility allows users to release their print jobs where they are physically located or on a device in any available location when they arrive there, ensuring maximum convenience. This capability is ideal for roaming users or students printing off campus who want to submit their print jobs from wherever they are, but release them somewhere else later on, maybe during the day or some other time in the future. By leveraging cloud technology, SmartClient ensures business continuity through flexible and highly available printing. Clearly makes it a perfect solution for modern dynamic work environments. Your customers will like that. So to conclude, the key feature selection. SmartClient offers a seamless integration for bring your own device, commonly known as BOID. This makes it easy for users to connect their own devices to the system, which is especially beneficial in the education market. The SmartClient packages are made available for users to install on their own by themselves on their own PCs, simplifying the installation process and reducing the need for any technical assistance. So the key message here is that the SmartClient distribution is compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems in a BOID setting, providing flexibility and accessibility for users regardless of their operating system preferences. Another tick in the box for SmartClient. So what I want to do is just touch on some of the improvements to the uniFLOW SmartClient that's happened over the last year or so. So we'll start off with the auto update functionality. The easy automated rollout allows for quick and smooth deployment to all client PCs. Users can start the rollout silently in the background or actively themselves. With this flexible rollout, the addition of the auto update functionality, which was introduced in 2024 release, enhances management capabilities even more, minimizing IT effort and ensuring that the client PC is always up to date with the latest software. Again, another tick in the box for the IT guys. When the auto update installer is enabled with the uniFLOW 9, administrators can initiate updates that are installed automatically without requiring an administrative permission for the user. So you can imagine users that have the God rights could do other things. So with this solution, they don't need it. Users will be informed of the update through notifications, and the update process runs silently in the background without interrupting their work. This functionality provides administrators with complete control over the print infrastructure, ensuring that all SmartClients are up to date and operating smoothly. Additionally, administrators can generate reports on all connected SmartClients and manage access to various installer packages efficiently. IT will love this, especially in large organizations where they have lots of SmartClient installations going on. So another improvement is the public printing support. In public print environments such as libraries, universities, and yes, internet cafes, the uniFLOW SmartClient can now show a pop-up requesting an email address or a card number to identify the user that's actually in front of the PC. They probably will get this card number from reception in these environments. Now, this feature enables secure printing functionality on public PCs, ensuring that only the authorized user that's accessing this public PC can access the print of their documents. For instance, in a university or library, students can securely print their assignments by entering their email address or swiping their student ID card. Fantastic. Now, for full details on the public printing with SmartClient, please check out the 2024.2 release information documentation found on the partner site, which gives a really good overview of the public printing environment with the SmartClient. So the next improvement, which is multi-tenant support. Up until now, the uniFLOW SmartClient was limited to connecting to just a single tenant, which posed challenges for users needing to access multiple business environments. Now, while the SmartClient, as I mentioned, is location aware within a single tenant, allowing users to roam between locations, it couldn't support roaming between different tenants within an organization. This issue is common in large organizations with multiple autonomous business units or during company mergers or acquisitions. Similarly, large education institutes with autonomous schools, colleges, or universities often have separate tenants for each entity within the system. So basically, this improvement will be available in 2025.1. So you've got a sneak preview of it. I believe it's actually available now, 2025.1. So again, check out the partner site for full details on how this actually works. Just a quick overview of the switching between different profiles. The uniFLOW SmartClient now has this multiple profile capability, which can connect to different uniFLOW online tenants. The way how that works is you can see on the screen, users can switch their printing profile, allowing them to gain access to the different tenants. So on the actual SmartClient client, you can see that little green box. There's a new little button there that allows them to switch. They'll have a list of the different tenants that are available that have been published by IT. So when they arrive at that particular business unit or college or university, they can simply switch over to that by that manual switching process. So the benefits are increased productivity, enabling traveling users to print without any hassle. And again, another key benefit to IT, reduces the IT involvement, resulting that users can choose themselves because they know where they're going to be. So in terms of this closed now to the SmartClient, I just want to just go over the kind of 6 steps really. And the SmartClient app for Windows or Mac with the driver is installed on the PC or the laptop, as I explained earlier in the webinar. The user submits a print job via the driver in the normal way to the queue that's installed, the print queue that's installed on their PC. The user walks to an available device in a given location. Doesn't have to be in the location where the job was originally submitted. User logs on to the device in the normal way using their PIN or a card. User selects the document to be printed from the UI. They can make any last-minute changes, such as delete the job, change it from color to black and white, or make even multiple copies, etc. Lastly, data breaches and privacy concerns is not a problem as a user walks away with their sensitive document, which ensures sensitive docs are not left on the device. It could not be any simpler. So in terms of the key benefits of the SmartClient, it's a reliable alternative in terms of the fact that traditional server-based printing is obviously being obsolete. It optimizes the workflows and improves the productivity. Through easy installation, it's straightforward with user-friendly client software, including a universal driver or the generic driver, okay, for Windows and Mac. Secure storage provides secure storage options for print jobs to meet compliance requirements, whether stored locally or on the cloud. Location aware, which is a great functionality in terms that the location aware feature dynamically adjusts the settings based on the user's location, ensuring a seamless experience. Flexible printing, users can submit print jobs from anywhere at any time, enhancing again the productivity of that user. The auto update, just mentioned that functionality minimizes IT effort, keeping client PCs with the software, so with the SmartClient software, totally up to date automatically without requiring any real user intervention. Public print environments enable secure printing on public PCs by requesting a user ID, email or card before printing is permitted, only ensuring that authorized users can print in these public environments. And lastly, the multi-tenant support, which allows for multiple profiles per SmartClient, allowing connections to different uniFLOW online tenants and enabling users to switch printing profiles easily, reducing the IT involvement. So really, in a nutshell, that is the SmartClient, a fantastic solution, always evolving. We're always making changes to the SmartClient to meet the requirements in the field. Now, as you know, with my webinars, I always put together some questions that you can spot some opportunities. There are 10. I won't go through them all, but as always, either collectively in your teams or by yourself, you can look at the webinar and maybe create some additional questions or tailor the questions to suit your needs. So with that, thank you for your attention. As you can see, this uniFLOW SmartClient offers a wide range of functionalities, and today we've only covered the highlights. So for more detailed information, as I said at the beginning of the webinar, please refer to the uniFLOW Online Tech Datasheet, which is available on the partner site. So with that, thank you again for your attention, and I'll see you on the next one.